Hello viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this Parkside Performance Sabre saw, the model PPFS 1250A1, for effortless cuts in wood, plastic, metal and lightweight building materials. Power consumption 1250 watts, stroke length 32 mm, rated no load stroke rate from 0 to 3000 SPM. Max cutting capacity 255 mm in wood, 90 degrees, 130 mm in metal pipe, 50 mm in plastic, 30 mm in lightweight material. Accessories for wood. Compare it to the Parkside Sabre saw PPFS 850A1. It has 47% higher power, 27% higher maximum cutting capacity on wood and 25% higher maximum cutting capacity on steel, with a 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. So, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, durable case. Parkside Performance, black and red. Metal hinges. Included we have the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Wow, look at the thickness of the cable. Detachable cable. Whoa. That is the first time that I'm seeing on a power tool from Parkside. I like it. 5 meters the length of the cable. Very convenient. Wow! It is so big. And of course we have one saw blade, Parkside Performance, sharp. Black and grey color, soft grip here, soft elements around the tool and here. The trigger, you can lock the trigger and it will work continuously. The speed control here, decreasing, increasing from 1 to 6. We have the orbital action control lever, the suspension hook. Wow, I like that. Unlock, it rotates. Wow, very convenient. The lock button, unlock, and you can rotate. It locks, rotate again, locks, soft elements in here, here. It depends how you want to work. Soft elements in here. Very well manufactured, I like that. Good quality materials. I can feel that by the first look. Parkside Performance 32 mm. And obviously here at the back we have the connection. It's like my PC. The power supply for my PC. Of course we don't have a ground here, only the live cable and the neutral. Press, rotate and it will lock. So easy. Rotate, unlock and remove. At the front here we have the lock button for the base plate. There's the base plate. Press the button and you can adjust it. First position, second and third position. Press again and you can remove. 1, 2 and 3. And of course at the front, here we have the chuck ring, rotate, and inside we have the saw blade holder. To install the saw blade, rotate, press, and it will lock. It is so easy. Remove, install again. It feels very nice to my hand. Good looking power tool. So let's plug it in. Speed. There is a speed control. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1. Wow, it is powerful. So let's move on outdoors and test it. And that concludes our exploration of the Parkside Performance Sabre saw. From its robust performance to its ergonomic design, this tool has certainly impressed me. Before we wrap up, I want to extend a sincere thank you for joining me on this journey. Your support means everything to me, and I hope you found this video helpful and engaging. If you found value in what you watched today, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date on all our latest reviews, tutorials and DIY projects. With the Parkside Performance Sabre saw in your toolkit, you are ready to tackle any cutting task with precision and easy, only with a cost €60. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!